Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add shapes in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a fantastic feature for anyone who needs to highlight specific areas, create diagrams, or add visual elements to their PDF documents. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're signed in to access all the features available in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface where you can access all your recent files and tools. Next, navigate to Recent Files. This section displays all the PDFs you've been working on lately, making it easy to find what you need. From there, select the PDF file you want to add shapes to. Simply click on it to open the document in your workspace. Now that your PDF is open, look over to the left toolbar. This is where you'll find all the drawing and editing tools. In the left toolbar, click the Draw Freehand button. This tool is essential for creating custom shapes and drawings directly on your PDF. After clicking Draw Freehand, you'll see several shape options appear. Select your preferred shape from the available choices. Whether you need circles, rectangles, lines, or other geometric shapes, this is where you'll make your selection. Once you've chosen your shape, you might want to customize its appearance to match your document's style or purpose. You can customize the color by clicking the color picker in the left toolbar. This opens up a palette where you can select your preferred color, choose the one that best suits your needs and helps your shape stand out or blend in as required. Beyond color, you can also adjust the thickness of your shape's outline. In the left toolbar, click Change Line Thickness. You'll see a slider that allows you to adjust the thickness to your liking. Use the slider to find the perfect line weight for your shape. This is particularly useful when you need to emphasize certain elements or keep things subtle. With all your customization set, you can now draw a shape in your PDF. Simply click and drag on the document where you want the shape to appear. The shape will be added exactly where you place it, giving you full control over the layout and design of your PDF. Finally, once you're satisfied with the shapes you've added, it's time to save your work. In the upper right corner, click the Save button. This ensures all your changes are preserved and your PDF is updated with the new shapes. And there you have it. You've successfully added shapes to your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.